back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how you can uh, select a specific stock and add to your watch list just like me. I already added some stock in the watch list in my watch list, just like Apple, Google, Nvidia, whatever. So, for example, if you want to add a stock of Microsoft, uh, Microsoft is having already added in my watch list. So for example, I want to add a Meta uh, stock in my watch list. So simply I will scroll in my watch list and you will see this add symbol. Click on that. Now here you will see you have to type your stock name just like me. I want to add Meta's uh, stock in my watch list. So here you can see the star option to add this stock into watch list. Just simply click on that. Here we go. You can see the meta is added into my watch list. It's very simple, and that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, you can subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.